Would you believe me if I told you that this video of an animated route on a 3D map was created automatically? It seems unbelievable, but it is 100% real, and this technique can save you a lot of time and headaches, especially if you need to animate routes with drastic variations in height. Hello, this is BTDiseño, and in this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to apply this technique. Join me, and we are already starting. It is nothing more and nothing less than GoogleEarthPro, a free desktop application. Yes, you heard right, free. That will make your life easier when it comes to animating routes on 3D maps. You are simply going to type GoogleEarthPro in your search engine, and you're going to click on this link. And once on the selected page, you click on Accept and Download. And that was it. What follows is the installation process that will be like any desktop application. Before starting to use this application, we will need to establish the route that we are going to animate, for which we are going to enter the site curviger.com/es, whose link I will leave you in the description of the video. Once here, you will type in these fields, a starting point and a destination. And as you can see, the line of the route that we are going to animate is already generated. Then we go here to the three-dot menu and click on Export. And we scroll down and press the Export Route button. Here it will generate a GXP extension file, which we will save in a folder. Now we are ready to enter the GoogleEarthPro application to generate our animation. Once here, we go to the File Import menu and look for the folder where we saved our GXP file. Expand here and look where it says All Files. There, the path file that we had created should appear. We select it and click on Open. This window appears where we must verify that these two boxes are selected. We click on Accept, wait a few seconds for it to process, and finally we have imported our path. I position myself with the cursor on the line, and with the right mouse button, I select Properties. Here, I'm going to give a title to my path. I'm going to put Path 1. Then I go to the Color Style tab, and here I'm going to change the color of the line. I'm going to choose a fluorescent green. Then I'm going to give it a thickness of 20 and an opacity of 100%. And as you can see here, we have an icon that I can change the size and color, and I can even choose another one from this options menu or add a custom icon. The next step then is to make GoogleEarthPro do its magic and generate the camera path and the animation of the path automatically. The first thing we are going to do is go to the Tools tab in the top menu and select Options. We select the Trips tab, and it is here where we are going to configure some important aspects of our animation, such as the speed and height of the camera. By that, GoogleEarthPro does not have video editing tools like the studio version. Here, the camera trip is generated automatically, and we can only change the speed and height of the camera. Now I will show you how I adjusted the parameters to generate the animation. The first section of the window remains with the default values. In this section, I adjust the camera tilt angle to 60 degrees, the camera range to 5,000 meters, and I give the speed a value of 1,000. In this other section, I adjust the speed values to 20 and leave everything else as it comes by default. Once this process is finished, we click on Accept. Now we check that this field with the name of our trip is selected, and we only have to click on the Play Trip button. I sped up the process, but we can already see how the application automatically generates the camera trip and the animation of the path line and its icon. We only have to generate and export the video file, for which by sliding this control, we go to where we want our video to start. Then we will go to the top menu and select the Record a Trip button. A bar with a recording button will appear here. We press the record button and immediately the play button that is on the other bar and there it begins to record our trip. We wait for the tour to finish, and we stop the recording. After this step, we press the Save icon here, we give our trip a name, and click on Accept. As we see here, another field is generated with our recorded trip. To export to video, we first close this bar here. Then we go to the top menu, select Tools, and check Movie Creator. In this window, we check that the trip we just recorded appears in this field. Here in this field, we choose the location and the title of our video, and set the values for size, video format, and frames per second. Once this process is finished, we press Create Movie and wait for the export process to finish. Now, we can see our video file in the folder, which will appear in the .m4v format. If we want, we can change the name of the format to .mp4. Now we can play it, and we can see our video. This was everything, and I hope this technique has been useful to you. If you like the video and want to support me in this project, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave me a like or a comment, as that helps me a lot. This was BTDiseño. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.